Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all people around the world. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all OFWs, Filipinos OFWs. Mabuhay po tayong lahat, Filipinos working abroad. Mabuhay, mabuhay at maligayang araw. And thanks God, we are still alive. So, every day when we wake up, it's a big blessings from our God, Jesus Christ. So, we have to always thank God. Thanks God for having another day in our life. So thank you God, thank you. And thank you all my subscribers. Please watch with ads. So at least naman kumita tayo kahit pa konti-konti kasi ang mamahal po ng mga ingredients natin sa pagluluto ng pagkain at hindi lang sa pagluluto ng pagkain at sa paggawa ng kung ano-anong mga mikos-mekos. Sabi nga nila mikos-mekos. So right now we're gonna do the straining the one that for babies eczema. Again, disclaimer, this is not a cure. This is for to help eczema not flaring up. So to ease the itchiness. So this is for babies because the first batch I make, it was for adults. So this one is for babies. I'm gonna show you the color. Go after infusing it on a cold compressed oil, olive oil. This is the color. It's become dark green, guys. Very dark. And you need a cheesecloth, of course, container where you're gonna extract the infused olive oil from chamomile, calendula, and nettle. So it's up to you guys. If you want to add more ingredients, the first one for mature skin or adult or worse eczema, it was only for adults, the first one I made. So this one is for babies. It's safe for the babies. So this one, guys, I infuse in a very low heat, 50 degrees Fahrenheit only. That's the requirements for infusing your oils. We need to get a plastic. So after, para pag nasala natin ay doon na natin siya ilalagay kasi magiging basura na siya, guys. I cannot make this for organic fertilizer because of oil. Too much oil on the herbs, so it's not good. So we're gonna go directly there. My hands is clean, guys. I always wash my hands before touching this. And I sanitize the container. So this is 4 hours to 6 hours infused in a very low heat. Warm. So, ayan. Ganyan lang, guys. Piga-piga. Kunti-kunti lang nilagay ko, guys, para madaling i-squish. So, I only put to easy squeezing it because it's very hard, guys, to squeeze when you put a lot. Because I'm gonna try to make today a balm for babies. Hopefully, I still have time because I have to go to the party again. It's Monday party. So, that's our life. Busy, busy life. Even we are busy, we have to enjoy our life. We have to do socializing. That's a good socializing, guys. So, I infuse like 4 liters, but I think it's gonna be only 3 liters after we get the infused oil. Lapit natin. So it's been few days already, this, guys, that I infuse, and I don't have time to squeeze it, and I do a lot of things, different things at the same time. So, you know, life is busy researching, and I have to do my anti-aging because everybody's waiting for my anti-aging oil blends. It's more than 10 kinds of oil. It's gonna blend together, and it's all powerful for anti-aging or renewal. Again, it's not a cure. It's just gonna help the skin to look at younger. Disclaimer, disclaimer. It's not a cure, okay? For my anti-aging, it's not a cure. It's a renewal. It's like it gonna help your skin to be look younger. And everybody wants that. Including me, guys. That's why I'm making my own herbal blend. And you need strength when you're doing these things. And it makes me so hungry. That's why I have to eat first before I do this squeezing all the... And all my cheesecloth, guys, it's turned to color yellow because of turmeric. But this one, there's no turmeric on it. Because I infuse turmeric also, guys. You know, I want to try everything. Trying by yourself is good thing, guys. This is clean. I need to wipe my hands because of the debris. Oh. My counter, guys, is very clean. I always clean up properly. I sanitize the counter before I touch this. You always have to sanitize everything when you're gonna do all the skincare products. The place where you're gonna put, the place where you're gonna use for everything, for the skin product. And I sanitize my hands also, guys. I use alcohol to sanitize my hands before touching this. Sana pala may bumili ako ng compressor para yun ang gagamitin ko sa pagpipress nito. Nauubos ang lakas ko, guys, saka sumasakit dibdib ko pag nasubrahan ng lakas yung pagpress ko ng ganito. So, matrabaho talaga siya, guys. It's not easy to make this, you know, if you are really want to do like this. Matrabaho siya, guys, but it's worth it. But kung kayo naman ay mga ayaw nyong matrabaho, if you don't want to do a lot of work, don't ever thinking making soap, making beauty products, skincare, because it's a lot of work. A lot of research you have to do, a lot of work, physical work, research. It's like you're studying at the same time doing it manually. But if you are rich, you can buy the machine for easy infusion. But for me, because I'm alone, I don't have helper, so do it myself. Ayan, nakakatatlong press pa lang ako, guys. Nalalambot na ako. Because you know, guys, ang kinain ko lang ay fruits. I only eat avocado, jackfruit fruit, and what else? That's it. That's my breakfast. Because I do only 1 meal a day, guys. So I just eat like 5 minutes ago. Now it's almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon, guys. Oh my God, I only have 2 hours to finish everything. I have to do my anti-aging because I'm gonna carry it. But the anti-aging, guys, is all oils. That I'm just gonna mix it. Whew. Pinapawisan na ako, guys. So now we have like almost half in here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna use this one, recycle. This is clean because it's only olive oil. Just to make sure it's still in a dark container. So now we got one letter. So we got one letter, guys. So this is infused. It's become so dark, guys. Very dark. So after you infuse, you have to use a dark container to put your infused oil. Ako, sumala yung iba. Ay, maraming natapon. Bakit kasi hindi ako gumamit ng imbudo? May imbudo naman ako. Ayan, nakalimutan ko kasi ilabas yung imbudo. Mamaya na lang. Pag matapos na ako. Ay, mamaya sanitize to kasi nalaglag. So, pag nalaglag ang gamit, guys, huwag agad gagamitin. Kailangan i-sanitize. So, ganun yun, guys. Kailangan kasi matapos ko to eh. Para tapos na lahat. Here you go, guys. I'm done pressing everything, squeezing. It's better to use the... Tumatapon eh. Sayang. Eh, ang daming na wasted kasi nga na almost 5 liters I infused because I used the 6 quarts Salad Master cookware for infusing it, but I think it's only gonna be 3 liters, the one that I got it infused oil. See guys, so this is it's a lot. It's filled the whole 6 quart Salad Master. And now this is the only left. 1 liters, and this for sure is only 1 liters as well. Or maybe 1.5. So almost 5 liters I infuse, and after infusing it, it's become only maybe 3.2 liters. And it's gonna be a baby skin balm for itchy skin or eczema. It's not a cure. It's not a cure, guys. Disclaimer, it's not a cure. It's because eczema, there's no cure of eczema or any itchiness in your body or allergy. So this gonna be a balm that can help to ease the itchiness. So let's continue. I found another glass, that dark color, guys. So, I like using this kind of embutido, sorry guys. Imbudo, not embutido guys, eh? Pagod na sinday, kaka-press. It's small, but this one is really good quality because it's stainless steel. But the problem is too small, so I have to wait. So this one is, I think, 1.2 liters or maybe just 1 liters, guys. I think I don't have enough time to make the baby skin salve or balm because, you know, it's 2:30 already and I have to do the mixture of anti-aging oil blends plus labels. I have to put labels. I was labeling the face moisturizer. Now, after this, I'm gonna make a anti-aging or a face that can help become youthful, your skin. It's not cure. It's not a cure, guys. It's to help to make you look younger and prettier, like my face. Look at that, guys. See? This is all the products of my natural skincare. Ay, kailangan mag-imbudo kasi kanina tumapon-tapon, sayang. So, ayan, naka 3 liters na tayo, guys. Ay, susubra pa ata. So, we have 3 liters, and I think this one is maybe 1 cup, or not even 1 cup. So, I'm just gonna need a small container. So, I got the bottle of... So, I like using jar, guys, glass jars. For this infused, guys, always use the glass jars or glass bottles. Don't use a plastic one because you know the chemical reaction of plastic is not good for skin products. So, yeah. Unless that your plastic gonna use is BPAD approved. So, it's fine. But for me, just to be safe, I always use a glass jar or like this, a bottle. See, guys, it's very dark after infusion. The 3 kinds of ingredients for salve for itchy skin or eczema. It's not a cure. It's just to help to ease the pain. See guys, it's only like 1/3 or maybe 400 ml because 1 liter is 1000 ml. So 500 ml is, yeah, half liter. No, it's not half liters. And this one, Because I have itchy here. I don't know what I eat. I got itchy on my skin, so I just gonna rub that. So later it's gonna be done, the itchiness. Sometimes it's flared up. I don't know which fruit I got allergy. I didn't eat anything this morning. I just eat the fruits. See guys, this is the, I think, 0.4. So it's only 3.4 liters. The infuse of almost 5 liters olive oil, cold compressed extra virgin olive oil infused to the herbs, flowers, to make a balm. Yeah. Where is the lid? I'm looking for the lid. Guys, so this is the lid here. Tapos pang alak to, inabutilya. So now, marami naman akong hugasan. Ay, dito pala to. Marami na naman akong hugasan. Ito ang una kong gagamitin guys, yung nasa hindi dark na lagayan. So pwede nyo naman siyang balutan para maging dark yung kulay niya. Balutan nyo ng itim. Kasi para hindi mapaso yung ano, ang tawag doon. Kasi nawawala kasi yung, ano ba tawag doon? Mas maganda kasi nasa dark siyang lagayan guys. Kasi kahit tamaan siya ng mga lights, hindi siya maapektuhan yung infuse. So yung mga ganito kasi, pag tinatamaan siya ng mga lights, yung parang humihina yung bisa ng mga in-infuse. Kaya kailangan gamitin kaagad. Gawin agad na balm. So hindi pa makakapagawa ngayon kasi I have only 2 hours to make the mixing of oils. Plus I have to put that in different bottles. So for sure, I'm not gonna be in 2 days. Kasi nga, tomorrow I have a massage. And yeah, busy si Inday. Laging na may mga gagawin. Nananakad. So ayan. So meron na tayong 3 liters na panggawa ng baby skin balm for itchy skin. Here you go, the 3.4 liters of my infusion for skin allergy or eczema or itchy skin for baby. And pwede rin siya sa adults na mga mild lang yung eczema kasi magkaiba ang recipe ng for babies and for adults. Pero pag adults ka at sensitive skin, pwede rin ito sa'yo. So ayan na siya. Ang kulang na lang ay ang paggawa ko ng skin balm. So, I don't have time today. I might gonna do it on Wednesday after 2 days. Kasi tomorrow, busy ang schedule.